Right. Console in. Basically, we just set it in here because we got to attach it to the passenger seat. Just kind of set it in there out of the way. They are very toasty because they've been sitting in the sun. Very toasty.
A little warm.
Oh, yes, they're very warm. Lean my seat all the way back, lean the console back, and then insert the studs back into their correct holes. Takes a little finesse. Got two 13s, two 10s. You don't really have to worry about bolting it all down and then snugging those all up. I'll just go ahead and snug them on up. Now you can see kind of where they were. Pretty much locked back in place to where they were as you tighten them up. And then we set everything back down. I start my 15s. Let's plug up the airbag. I start my 15s up front. They're sitting on the mat back here, so it's slide back. Here we go. Pretty much get them all started. Then we'll hit them with, tighten them up. They got little legs that lock in, so you know you're in the right spot. This is the air conditioning vent that the cup holders cover up. Kind of just get this piece all lined back up, slide it on, so you'll have your air conditioner for the rear. And that's that. Let's go to the back. Do the two 18s in the back. I know of any kind of torque specs for the seats. Impact does really well, sometimes too well. Then we're going to come around and attach the rest of the console. You got the two 13s left. The one you got to use your ratchet for. Right here. Then you got your front one on the front leg. That's what holds the driver's side of it. About finger tighten that. This one. That way you're not sitting there ratcheting it forever. That's that. Attach this is all for your USB and your controls for in your console. Our seat. Now we're gonna grab the driver's seat. Get some of the tools out of the way that we don't need. And reconnect all your powers. procedure is passenger side, start the 215s, get those locked in. To the back, get your 18s.